In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search tab on Google Chrome. If you've ever had dozens of tabs open and couldn't remember where that one article, email, or document went, this is for you. I'll walk you through 3 built-in ways to jump straight to the tab you need on desktop Chrome without scrolling or guessing. First, the easiest method uses the tab search button. Open Google Chrome and look to the top right corner of the tab bar. You'll see a small down arrow or a magnifying glass icon. Click it and a panel appears listing all your open tabs, including those in other Chrome windows. Start typing a keyword from the page title or the site name. The list filters instantly, so even a partial word is enough. When you see the tab you want, click it to switch right away. This is perfect if you like using the mouse and want a quick overview of everything you have open. Second, try the keyboard shortcut for maximum speed. On Windows or a Chromebook, press Ctrl plus Shift plus A. On a Mac, press Command plus Shift plus A. This opens the same tab search panel without touching the mouse. Begin typing the tab name or a related phrase. Use the arrow keys to move through results if needed, and press Enter to open the highlighted tab. This becomes second nature once you do it a few times and is great when you're mid-task and want to stay on the keyboard. Third, you can search tabs directly from the address bar using a newer Chrome feature. Click the address bar to focus it, type @tabs, and press space. You'll see a prompt confirming you're searching your open tabs. Now type the tab name or a keyword. When the result appears, select it and Chrome will jump straight to that tab. This is handy if you already live in the address bar for searches and navigation. A few quick tips to make this smoother. These methods match across all open Chrome windows, so you don't need to remember which window holds the tab. Search is flexible. Try a site name, a key term from the title, or a unique word from the page. If you don't see the tab search icon or @tabs doesn't activate, make sure Chrome is updated to the latest version. That's it, the tab search button, the keyboard shortcut, and the @tabs address bar search. Use whichever feels most natural, and you'll save time every time you browse. Thanks for watching, and happy tab hunting.